In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up notifications on the Binance app. Whether you're tracking price movements or keeping an eye on your favorite cryptocurrencies, setting up notifications will allow you to stay informed in real time. Ensuring you have notifications configured correctly can make the difference between catching critical developments as they happen or missing out. Let's walk through these steps to get you set up swiftly and accurately. First, open the Binance app on your mobile device. You'll be greeted with the home screen, which offers a comprehensive view of the cryptocurrency market. Look toward the upper right corner and tap on the profile icon. This icon usually resembles a silhouette of a person. Tapping it will take you to your personal account section, which includes all your account settings and preferences. Once you're in your account area, scroll down a bit to find the settings option. Give it a quick tap to enter. The settings section is your control center, allowing you to customize your Binance experience to best suit your trading style, and configuring notifications is a significant part of that. In the settings menu, you'll want to locate the notifications section. Here, you'll have options to enable or disable different types of alerts. These can range from price alerts for specific cryptocurrencies to general updates about the app and marketplace. Take your time to review these options and decide which notifications are critical for your needs. For instance, if you actively trade Bitcoin or Ethereum, enabling price alerts will ensure you're informed as soon as there's a notable price change. After making your selections, it's essential to confirm your changes. Typically, there is an option or a toggle you need to confirm before your settings are saved. Make sure to click on any highlighted buttons that indicate saving or applying these settings. With your notifications preferences set, the app may prompt you to again confirm the configuration. This secondary confirmation step helps to ensure that nothing was accidentally changed or overlooked. Click on Confirm, which cements your selection, and now you're all set. After that, take a moment to probe through some additional features that Binance has to offer. Within the notification setting page, you might see options to highlight certain alerts. Highlighting can make specific alerts more visible at a glance, helping you prioritize what matters most as alerts start rolling in. That's essentially it. You have configured notifications on the Binance app, which will help you stay attuned to market developments as they happen. Remember, adjusting your notification settings can be revisited anytime should your trading priorities change. Feel free to explore additional features and ensure your Binance experience is tailored precisely to your approach. Happy trading and stay informed.